uppercase, lowercase, proper, and trim. When do we use these functions? Let's follow with this practice. First, I want to show the gender to uppercase. Okay, I click on cell and press key equals and type upper and open parenthesis. Select the first cell of gender. Close parentheses and enter. Now the rest will format from lowercase to uppercase. Second, how to format text to lowercase. Now click on cell and press equals and type lower function after open parentheses and select the top cell of class. Close parentheses and enter. Now the result changed from upper to lowercase. Third, I want to change the text from upper to capitalized letter. Okay, click on top cell and press equals and type proper function. Open parentheses and click the top cell of school. Close parentheses on enter. The outcome is format upper to big letter of the first letter. 4. Trim using for remove space in cell. I want to remove space of the full name in this column. Now, I remove these results from this range. After, press equals and type trim function. Open parentheses and click the top full name. Close parentheses and enter. Okay, the result of space is removed from cell. Upper, lower, proper, and trim are done. Thank you for your lovely sharing. ICT Share.